What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung perks and benefits at saka yung possible credit limit ng BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card ni BPI. Kasi minsan may mga nagbibigay ng million. Kaya naman pag-uusapan natin yung range ng credit limit ng BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card. At saka yung annual fee kung magkano, and then yung fees and charges of course. At saka yung application requirements. Pero bago yun na, muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. So ayan po yung itsura ng topic natin ngayon. Pag-uusapan natin credit card ng BPI, which is yung BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card. So unahin ko na guys yung credit limit. Magkano nga ba yung credit limit ng BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card ni BPI? So based sa experience ko guys, or sa research ko sa mga kakilala kong may ganitong credit card, since ito ay platinum, madalas guys is hindi siya bababa ng 100,000. Umaabot siya ng 2.5 million actually. Kaya siya guys, hindi po mabigay yung fixed na credit limit ng BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card kasi paiba-iba po yung credit limit na binibigay sa clients ni BPI. Depende po sa assessment ng bangko kung magkano yung karapat-dapat na ibigay sa credit card na credit limit ni client nila. Nagbe-base sila guys sa income requirement of course, at saka sa credit history ninyo. Kumusta kayo magbayad sa dati yung mga utang, sa previous loans, kasi nagre-reflect yan lahat sa CIC, which is yung Credit Information Corporation. Doon lahat nakikita yung records ninyo kung ano yung status sa pangungutang ninyo. Under your name, makikita nila lahat ng details kung kayo ba ay may mga tinakasang utang. At saka kung may tinakasang utang kayo guys, malabo na talaga kayo ma-approve sa mga credit cards at saka sa mga personal loan ng any financial institutions. It's because red flag na yung nakanote doon sa pangalan nyo or negative na yung credit score ninyo. Kailangan nyo ulit mag-build ng credit history ninyo, credit records ninyo, kailangan nyo ulit ayusin para pagkatiwalaan ulit kayo ng bangko. Ganun yung credit limit nyo guys, nagre-range siya sa 100,000, hindi siya bababa sa 100,000 to 2.5 million. So ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits ng BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card ni BPI. So as you can see guys, BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. Discover more of what you love with a BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. Earn cashback anywhere you shop and enjoy exclusive perks at Ayala Malls. Kasi itong BPI credit cards guys is under siya ni Ayala Corporation. Kaya naman parang tropa-tropa sila, alam mo yun, parang sister company kumbaga. Kaya more of its perks and benefits is may enjoy sa Ayala Malls. So ito guys, since it's a cashback credit card, makikita nyo dito sa benefits, 4% cashback at restaurants. Get cashback at your favorite restaurants or online food delivery services. Then, 1% cashback at shops. Earn cashback in supermarkets, department stores, and other shopping stores. 1% naman siya sa mga shops. Then, 0.3% cashback at all other retail stores. Then, more reasons to love this card. Get cash anytime. Convert your credit limit to cash and pay it in installment up to 36 months. You can also avail of cash advance and withdraw up to 100% of your available credit limit. So take note lang guys, si cash advance ay may 200 pesos as is service charge kapag nag-avail kayo, and then 3% yung ipapatong sa kung magkano yung kinash advance ninyo. Magre-reflect siya on the next billing cycle. Multiple installment options. Enjoy real 0% installment, buy now, pay later, and additional installment limit with our bonus madness limit. You can also convert your straight purchases to installment with our low add-on rates. Then ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee ng BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card. So as you can see guys, card membership fees incurred yearly or monthly after the first year of card ownership. Kasi yung first year guys, pagka-approve ninyo, yung unang taon, wala siyang annual fee. Naka-waive siya or free yung first year annual fee. So as you can see guys, card type, BPI signature, hindi yan. Sa baba, ayan, BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. So as you can see guys, sa principal card niya is 5,000 pesos. per year. Then, sa supplementary naman niya, sa first supplementary card, naka-free for life siya. Sa una lang yun guys ha. Sa pangalawa hanggang 6, ibig sabihin hanggang 6 supplementary credit cards lang yung pwede i-request sa BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. 2,500 pesos naman siya per year. Then ngayon guys, pag-uusapan naman natin yung interest rates and charges. So as you can see guys, type of fees and charges, finance charge or nominal interest rate is 3%. So ibig sabihin, yung hindi nyo nabayaran, halimbawa, yung statement balance ninyo is hindi nyo nabayaran ng buo, on the next billing cycle, 3% yung ipapatong doon sa natirang balance ninyo sa statement of account. Magre-reflect siya on the next billing cycle. Cash advance finance charge or nominal interest rates. Ito yung sabi ko kanina sa cash advance. 3% yung ipapatong kung magkano yung kinash advance ninyo. Then, special installment plan, SIP, add-on rate is 1%. So, ito kasi yung regular interest rate ng BPI Special Installment Plan which is 1% siya. Minsan nagpo-promo, umabot ng 0.45% pag natsambahan ninyo. Pero yung regular interest is 1%. Din yung cash advance fee, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, 200 pesos flat fee per transaction. Per transaction yun na. Card replacement fee, halimbawa nawala yung credit card ninyo, nasira, nagka-problema, kasi kasalanan ninyo, yung card replacement fee ng BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card is 400 pesos. Express start cancellation fee is 1,500. Ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin? Halimbawa, nag-apply kayo ng secured credit card ni BPI, nag-apply kayo as secured credit card nitong BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card, then na-approve na siya. So, kung magkano yung pinahold ninyo, pag sinabi kasing secured credit card guys, is magde-deposit kayo ng amount doon, tapos i-hold yun. Tapos pinakancel nyo, na-approve na, 1,500 yung ibabawas doon sa amount na pinag-hold ninyo. Late payment fee, kailangan nyo malaman, 850 or equivalent to the value of unpaid minimum amount due, whichever is lower, will be charged per occurrence per card. So, 850 pesos siya, whichever is lower. Kung magkano yung unpaid minimum amount due, bumababa sa 850, yun yung masusunod. Tapos kung lumagpas naman sa 850, 850 yung masusunod. Then ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung requirements kapag nag-apply kayo ng BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card sa BPI. So as you can see guys, one photo bearing and unexpired identification documents front and back copy. Identification documents issued by the Government of the Republic of the Philippines, including its political subdivisions, agencies, and instrumentalities. Example is PhilID, ePhilID, National ID, passport, driver's license, etc. Then pangalawa, of course, yung proof of income or copy of your credit card statement from the another bank. Then, how do I earn cashback? Of course, it's a cashback credit card. So, paano nga ba kayo makapag-earn ng cashback sa BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card Credit Card? Every 1,000 pesos spent you make anywhere, whether in store or online, at any of the following categories qualifies you to a cashback: 4% on restaurants, 1% on supermarkets and other shopping stores, 0.3% on everything else. Then how much is the maximum cashback that I can earn? You can earn as much as 15,000 worth of cashback every year. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!